everyone, welcome to the Heartbreak Dog food review. I'm just going to say, it's been a while since I've done this, and that's what I really want to say, it's been a while since I've done this, so forgive me if I'm a little rusty. Today we have this energy drink I got from a certain store, which will remain named because I've mentioned enough in my other reviews, but this is the Swagger Chupacabra. Now, I have had the lime version. I think it's very good, but I want to try the mango, orange mango. So here's this Swagger energy drinks. Put a little swag in you. Oh yeah, we'll put a little swag in you, honey. All right. You know, see, it's so cheap, but remember, prices will vary between the stuff that you get. 8 ounces, so things 16 ounces contain 2 servings. Let's look over the nutritional facts. Spitting at the camera, sorry. We have 80 calories. Sodium is 160 mg. Potassium 15 mg. Total carbohydrates 20 grams. Sugar 19 grams. Protein 0. Plastic Folastis 1 gram. Ryodola rosa 10 mg. L-cyan whatever 50 grams 50 mg. Carnitin what the f is this? 50 grams. Green tea extract 80 mg. Gonorrhea? Did I say gonorrhea? Gurora extract 170 mg. Prebiotics, well, yeah, B6 mg. B2 0.225 mg. Tangerine 75 mg. B1 0.225 mg. And finally, vitamin B12 1 mcg. Alright, almost done with this. It's been a horrible exercise for my reading ability. Water, sugar, citric acid, natural flavors. Natural flavors, sodium citrate, gonorrhea extract. Gonorrhea. Keep saying. I can't pronounce the word, alright? Pretty much this thing. Take all this stuff and multiply it by 2, pretty much. Everything established red, that's what you get in this can. So, here we go. Immediate. Smells like orange. It smells like a freaking NOS. If you had Nachos energy drink, it smells like that. How NOS has that tangerine smell to it because it's orange mango. Alright. So, here we go for a taste. Excuse me. I'm sorry about that, y'all. Taste. Orangey. Come on, I've never eaten it. I have never had a mango. So yeah, it's orangey. Aftertaste is not that bad even. Really, there's like more than no aftertaste in it. So let's go for the. Very bubbly. Just very bubbly. That's pretty good. Yeah. Alright. On my scale is 1 to 7. 7 being the greatest. Why 7 is the greatest? Look. I don't know. That's just what I felt like pinning as. Be playing civil with you. But on a scale of 1 to 7, 7 being the greatest, 1 being the worst. Now keep in mind, for me, a 1 is basically a freaking Red Bull. Because I can drink that stuff, it will give me no energy, and in about 30 minutes, it's gone. So yeah, I shot my Trident. But yeah, this is about, I'll go ahead and say a 4.5. 4.5 because the presentation of the can, it grabs your attention. God damn it. Chupacabra! It grabs your attention. But then, monster! Alright, whatever. But yeah, pretty much, the presentation of the can, 1 star. Overall taste, point there. It's a 1.5. Nutrients, it's an energy drink. Let's be honest with you, it's not healthy for you. And lastly, aftertaste. There's little to no aftertaste. So, oh my gosh, in my opinion, it's alright. It's worth a try. If you find it for 50 cents, by all means, it's a 50-cent energy drink. Don't pass up on it. But yeah, that's the Heartbreak Review. I'm your host. Yeah. I forget if I'm using my real name or not. But I'm your host. Subway. Eat fresh. I'm your host, Eric, and I will see y'all later. Much peace.